Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing my first ever hair review on this wig from Elva Hair Wigs. And I just want to put a disclaimer out there. I am not a hairstylist, you guys. I have just seen videos and learned from some professionals that I've seen them do wigs. So I'm going to try my best to do this. So hopefully it turns out good. But yeah, we're going to get started and I'm going to show you guys what I did to achieve this look. Hi guys, okay, so today we're going to start this wig review. So I'm going to show you what comes in the box. It comes with a wig cap, and then they also give you a little card that you can promote them, or if you send them your information, they will give you $10 to $100 in credit for promoting them on websites or your YouTube or whatever it is. And that's just a picture of the girl, so pretty, on the front of the card. Sorry, it's not clear. Then next you get, they give you a nice little rat tail comb. And then they also give you, of course, the hair. I already took it out the bag. And then they give you an expandable band, which I didn't use, but it's nice that they gave it to you. So here is the hair. This is their pre-plucked water wave 13x6 lace front bob wig. The density is 150. It's a lace wig with baby hair and it has bleached knots. And the color is 1B and it's 10 inches. Now, y'all, I'm so mad at myself. I don't know why I did not read the thing. This was already bleached, and I went ahead and bleached it already again. So that shows you I definitely do not do hair. So anyway, I used the 30 developer, and I'm just going to use the regular bleach with gloves. So, yeah, and I'm going to use this. But, yeah. So as you guys can see, I over bleached the knots and the hair in the front is looking like an ash brown color. So right now I'm just going to wash it and then I'm going to show you guys how I fixed it. Okay guys, so this is how my wig looks after I washed it. This is my mannequin head, y'all, from when I was in the esthetician school where we do facials. But anyway, so you can see that it's this really dark, rich, like reddish brown color. So I'm just going to take this Clairol Professional Jazzing number 94 Ebony. It's like a temporary dye, but I'm going to take it and put it in a mixing bowl and take one of my spoolies that's for eyelashes. I'm going to take that and just run it through the areas where I messed up on the color at to correct it. Okay guys, sorry I'm back, but I had to hurry up and do my makeup off camera because I was actually late to my mother's birthday party dinner and I had to drive an hour away, so I was in a rush. So yeah, sorry for the lighting as well. It was starting to get dark, so if I look a little bit, if my lights or whatever look a little bit darker, I apologize. But here I'm just finishing doing the last touches on the wig before I put it on. I sat it out and it dried for over 2 hours, so it's good to put on now. So I'm just using Lotta Body foam. That's all I have on me to do the edges and push it back. Slick. I am using the I Am Erica J Hold Me Down glue. It's from a YouTuber. She's also a licensed cosmetologist. I believe she's located in Atlanta. But anyway, I watched her videos and that's how I learned how to do this, and I seen that she had products. So of course I wanted to support a small black business owner. So I went ahead and ordered it, and this glue was really good, guys. It stayed on my head for literally over a week, and a little goes a long way. But I'm going to push this up, as you can see, after I'm finished gluing it down. But this was really good glue, guys, and I suggest you get it. I'll leave the link down below. Hi guys, well, it's me again. Sorry the quality's different because I'm on my phone, but I'm getting ready to go to my mom's birthday dinner. Today is the 28th of August, so today is her birthday and we're going to Oakland to go eat at some restaurant. But yeah, I did the video of my hair, but I was out of frame because my other camera died on me. So I literally was recording myself and I was out of frame. You couldn't even see me. So basically all I did was just glue the wig down. And I just took some Gots to Be foam right here. And I just slicked my hair like back, well, the wig back, sorry. So I just used Gots to Be glue. Lot of body, I'm tripping, y'all, sorry. Lot of body, I just used this Gots to Be. I don't know why I'm even saying that, because I used I Am Erica J on YouTube. She's a licensed cosmetologist, and she has glue. Let me see if I can find it. She has like a website where you can order it from. I can't even find mine right now. But she has like a website that you guys can buy it from. I got the small one because I don't wear wigs all the time. I'm more of, I just like wearing my natural hair. But anyway, she has I Am Erica with a K-A, not E-R-C-I-A, E-R-I-K-A, and then J. But she's on YouTube. I watch a lot of her videos, so that's how I learned how to do it. But I have her glue on, and it's really good. I don't like baby hairs, so I didn't do no baby hairs. This hair is from, I believe it's Elva. I'll leave the link to the video, I mean the hair and all that. But basically all I did was put some lot of body on top. I got a hot comb, and I pressed this. When I pressed it down so it'll be a little bit more flatter. I also wet it down with my thing to make the hair like wet. I just sprayed it all around so it could be wavy. And I also use this noodle head. This is really good. I actually learned this from another hairstylist on YouTube. His name is Slayed by Jordan, and he does really good hair. He used this in his sister's hair when she had curly hair, and it made it look so good. And he wet it down, and he used this. So this is really good. I got it off Amazon. I think I spent less than $10 for it, but they have it at Sally's. I just went to Sally's today and found it. But anyway, yeah, sorry guys, the video cut off, but that's really all I did. All I did was just, I plucked the hairline before I put it on. I glued it down. I put a lot of body. I used the pressing comb to flatten it, and I just wet it to get these curls and used the noodle head. So I really like it. But yeah, I gotta go guys because I'm running late. But yeah, this is the ending to the video, and sorry again for the quality, but you guys have a good night.
Right out of your way real quick so you can see it. You sing real quick, that way you can.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Venetia. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
Ready?
You can bring her on Saturdays, and I'll put her to work here. I will give her a job.
Don't cheat.
Mom, how's the cake?
Wait, put me to work to do what?
At the gym. I own a gym actually.